Border the OCALA National Forest. Rolling hills, paved road, fenced and cross-fenced with horse barn and multiple pastures. Almost 10 acres, there is plenty of space to enjoy in this active trail riding community with direct access to the 100-mile horse trails. Located in this hidden gem of equestrian heaven, you will relish the green views from your tree house and enjoy all the simplicity of the country surroundings. Always check with county regulations, but this is so versatile, you may even be able to build another house, since there are 2 parcels being sold. Near Rocking Horse Ranch for the Winter Equestrian Circuit, about an hour to Orlando, OCALA, or Daytona, and even closer for dining and entertainment in quaint Mount Dora or the Villages. The unique post and beam home offers whole house generator, approximately 3,100 square feet of living space, open beam cypress cathedral ceiling, metal roof, a loft area, 2-sided fireplace, a walkout basement, multiple porches, wood floors and an updated master bath. Don't forget the attached garage and flex space potential for gym, wine cellar or art studio. The 6-stall cypress horse barn with its own septic, bathroom and electric meter is about 36 by 86, features a wraparound covered shaded sitting area, adjacent paddock, plentiful hay storage space, feed room, and a huge storage area you could use as workshop. A short distance from the home is a 10 by 20 open storage shed and a 20 by 30 pole barn. 2 alt key numbers 3,834,191 and 3,877,853. This is a steal and shown by appointment only, so hurry and call to see it and make it yours.